Umkhonto Party leader Jacob Zuma is plotting a bold political maneuver to capture Johannesburg in next year's local government elections, a move aimed squarely at derailing Helen Zill's ambitions and the Democratic Alliance's DA hopes of controlling the country's economic hub. According to insiders, Zuma is considering deploying former Midvaal Mayor Bongani Baloyi as Umkhonto Party's mayoral candidate, setting up a high-stakes clash with Zill should she be put forward by the DA. The plan mirrors Zuma's disruptive strategy during the national and provincial elections last year, when MK Party dented the DA's Moonshot Pact project. Baloyi, who now heads elections for the Umkhonto Party, rose to national prominence as the youthful face of clean governance during his tenure in Midvaal, where he consistently delivered clean audits. Zuma is said to believe Baloyi's track record and appeal across party lines could lure disillusioned ANC and DA voters, fracturing these two parties' support base. A source told the Sunday World that President Zuma is mulling over fielding Bongani for Umkhonto Party in Johannesburg. Joburg is not just a South African city, it's a continental economic hub. Leaving it in the DA hands would be disastrous. Some with Umkhonto Party argue Baloyi should remain in his national elections role, given his effectiveness in the by-elections. But Zuma reportedly views Johannesburg as too strategic to be left without Umkhonto Party's strongest candidate. Zuma's calculus is driven by fears that the ANC, reeling from internal divisions and legitimacy crisis under the current Joburg Mayor Dada Morero, could slump behind the DA. Such a scenario might open the door to a DA-ANC coalition, sidelining both Umkhonto Party and the EFF. Another insider said the strategic thinking is to ensure the DA and ANC combined don't reach 50% plus one. Only Baloyi can come close to stopping that because he can draw support from both the ANC and the DA voters. For Zuma, Zill's possible candidacy represents more than a political rivalry. He reportedly views it as part of a broader capitalist establishment strategy to cement DA influence across Gauteng, Western Cape, and KwaZulu-Natal. The ANC's candidate for Johannesburg remains unsettled. The party's regional conference, where Morero will face off against financial MMC Loyiso Masuku, has yet to take place. Delaying clarity, the EFF is also undecided, though insiders say public safety MMC Mgcini Tswaku is a strong contender. Action SA leader Herman Mashaba, who once governed Johannesburg under DA-led coalition, has distanced himself from another mayoral run, insisting his focus is on developing leaders such as Tshwane's current mayor, Dr. Nasiphi Moya. Umkhonto Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela couldn't confirm Baloyi's candidacy and said the party will soon hold a strategic planning meeting to decide on policy, framework and criteria for selecting mayoral hopefuls. As South Africa's financial capital, Johannesburg has become the most coveted prize in local politics. For the DA, the victory will solidify its status as the country's leading opposition party. For Zuma and the Umkhonto Party, it is an opportunity to block what they see as a looming DA-ANC axis. The stage is being set for a bruising contest, one that could reshape coalition politics in Gauteng and beyond. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.